In this video, we are going to be looking at Creative Fabrica's Studio. So I am going to take you into Studio. So I'll start at Creative Fabrica here. And so I'll have a link below for Creative Fabrica. And you just scroll across here until you see the word Studio. And we are going to start designing. So I have got Studio open here in a couple places. So I will close one of these here. So this is where we are going to start. So we're going to create a new design. And I am going to use inches here. And so I'm going to change this to 8 inches by 8 inches. And then I'm going to create a new design. And we are going to start with a few things. I was in here recently playing around and I found how to upload fonts. And so I uploaded this thick black recently, very pretty, and it has some glyphs as well. So we're going to try this Disney one now. I have not done this yet. So we're going to download this file. And then we are going to go in and I am going to look at it. Here it says open type font. And in order to install it into our studio, we need to extract it. So I'm going to extract this here. But I am also going to open this file. It's an open type font, and I'm going to install it on my laptop. So I'm just going to hit install here. Now this is installing it on my laptop. So that's done now. So if you want to use Cricut Design Space or something like that, you can download fonts that way, but you do have to close Cricut Design Space and then reopen it and find your, I believe they're called system fonts. But okay, so now we are going to go back into Studio here. And I'm going to add a text box here. So I add a text box in, what was that font called? Disney. All right, so I'm going to write Disney here. Disney. And I am going to highlight this here. And then I am going to go over here and you can see that it is called Poppins. That font is called Poppins. So I'm going to go here and I am going to hit this button here, which is upload. And so I am going to upload this font. So I'm going to go to fonts here, and here's my Disney font. So I am going to upload that font. So it is showing that it is uploading that font. So now, as soon as that's done here, I am going to go in and find that. So let's get this done and see if it came in here. So now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to highlight it again. And it's going to show fonts, all fonts, your fonts right here. And there it is. There's the Disney font and there's the thick black as well. So I'm going to change that. So here now you can see that Disney font in. So now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to take you back to Creative Fabrica. I'll go back here to Creative Fabrica and you're going to go under Tools and you're going to see FontCloud. And I'm going to open up FontCloud here and I am going to upload that Disney font into FontCloud as well. So I'm going to browse and I'm going to find that font, open type font. Here we go. And I am going to get that Disney uploaded here. It's going to take a minute. Here it's coming in, but it'll take a minute to populate here. I guess it didn't take too long. So let's see what it's got here on the other end for some cute glyphs here. So here we go. Let's use this Y. So all you do is you click on the letter that you want to use. I want to use this Y. So I'm going to click on it. Then you can see here it says character copied to clipboard. So then you go back into your design. Where is it? Here it is. And you just backspace with your cursor. And I'm going to hit Control V. And there you can see how it brought that beautiful Y in there. All right, so now I'm going to keep that highlighted and then you can change the color to anything that you want here. So let's change it to a pretty green here. So you can see the fun things that you can do with that. Let's see what else we can do here. You can change the opacity. You can arc it. Whoops, didn't work with, I think it's because of that glyph on there, which is fine, but you can see things that you can do. Let's add a different text box here. And we will change this one, get this out of here, move this up, and we'll just write, let's put summer. Okay, so then you can see that we have that box highlighted there, and then you can turn that into an arc or, however you want to do it there. So I just wanted to show you that that does work. It just isn't going to work with this font because of the swooshes and the glyphs in there. So now let's go have some fun. I uploaded some things. So I downloaded some things from Creative Fabrica, and I'll show you here. So here are some things that I uploaded. These are some images that I uploaded, and these were uploaded from Creative Fabrica. So let's go in and find some images here. We don't need this FontCloud open. So let's go to Creative Fabrica and let's just find some designs to upload. This doodle alphabet, I uploaded that. It's so cute. So let's go to this nostalgic 90s and we will just download this and we'll give it a second here. And then of course we have to extract all the files. So I'm going to extract these files. This is going to extract everything. And so now we'll go back into our Creative Fabrica Studio here and we'll go to upload files and you just go into your downloads and you find that unzipped folder and then you find the ones that you want to upload. So you can look through them to see, what cute designs you want to bring in. Everybody's into the old cassette tapes. And let's see, let's bring in a Rubik's Cube here. So we'll bring these two in and you'll see how easy it is to bring in images from Creative Fabrica. So now I thought I would show you how to upload, say, a photo. So let's go here and just search up a photo here. And let's bring this one in. Hopefully it's one that I was looking for. And as soon as that's done here, yeah, that's the one I was looking for. Let's get rid of this. And I can bring this photo in. And then you have your background remover. So let's get the background removed here. All right. It did it by itself. So when I go back, it'll already have it done, but otherwise you can do it this way as well. So, and it will remove the background on it. So, and here it's working on it. And there we go. See how slick that is? That works so well. All right, so I'm going to go back to my image here, go back, and here we go. So let's get, where did that go? It does, it just easily deletes that background. So you see how simple that was. So now let's go and let's try something else here. So this is that alphabet that I brought in. It is so flippin' cute. These, and it's got a bunch of different ones. I'll bring in some more of these as well. Where is it? Right here, this doodle alphabet. It's got different looking ones to it as well. So let's just bring in this uppercase L. There are so many cute things that you can bring in here, to make your designs with. And you, of course, you can create your own doodle fonts as well. But this is so easy to work with. It has got your elements here. It's got graphics. You can search, let's just search retro, in a retro vibe tonight. So, I mean, you can see the cute retro things. And then also you can go into Creative Fabrica. I have the all access. And so I could type in retro here, and you're going to get all kinds of retro fonts, retro designs, and you can, of course, upload any of these into Creative Fabrica Studio. So now let's go and let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this, and we'll bring our word in here. And that's called the Disney font. So I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger. I'll change it to my name here. Cindy. Whoops, two Y's. There we go. That's really cute, actually. All right, so let's change the color again to show you how easy this is. Change the color. We'll go into a blue color, and let's find a background here. Let's search for a floral background, and so I can throw something in here to go with the name, and you can make this smaller so you're getting the idea of how easy it would be to create a Tumblr or something similar to that. So now let's go in to the color here. Wedding invitations, anything that you want, you really can do here. So it's just absolutely beautiful. So now let's see if I can figure out how to save. So I can save this design. So let's call this Cindy. And then I will save it. And now I will download it. So hit download, and let's download it as a PNG, and we'll remove the background. And well, I guess you can reverse it here for sublimation, but I don't reverse until I print my sublimation designs. So I'm just going to leave that, and then I'm going to hit PNG here. So let's go see what our design looks like. And here we go. How beautiful is that? So it does have that white background there, but it turned out so good. Oh, it's just beautiful. All right, so I hope this helps to make it easier for you to use Creative Fabrica's new studio. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.